A lot of people think 3D printing in 2026 is finally simple. Just load the file, press print, and relax. But ask anyone who actually owns a 3D printer and they will tell you a very different story. Failed prints, clogged nozzles, hours of calibration, and filament that costs more than you expected. After researching every major 3D printer release this year, I narrowed it down to just 5 models that are actually worth your money. These are reliable, easy to use, and give you consistent results. Stick around for my #1 pick because it solved almost every frustration that makes people give up on 3D printing, and it's surprisingly affordable. And as always, all the product links are in the description below, so let us get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 2 combo. Now, if you're looking for an affordable 3D printer that supports multicolor printing without complicated setup, this is a strong entry point. The standout feature here is the 4-color canvas system. It allows fast color switching through independent motor control and shortened filament paths, resulting in smoother transitions and fewer interruptions during prints. The printer also supports RFID filament detection. When you use ELEGOO's RFID tagged filaments, the printer automatically recognizes the material and color, then applies the recommended settings, saving time and reducing setup errors. Another smart feature is auto refill. If you load multiple identical spools, the printer automatically switches to the next one when a spool runs out. It also includes tangle detection, pausing the print if a filament jam is detected to prevent failed prints and wasted material. In terms of performance, this is impressively fast. It supports speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration. The Core XY motion system and rigid aluminum frame keep prints stable even at high speeds. Print quality is enhanced by smart calibration and active vibration compensation, delivering smoother surfaces and sharper details. The printer also uses 31 smart sensors to continuously monitor prints, adding reliability and consistency. Material support is solid, handling everything from standard filaments to more advanced options. Through ELEGOO's Matrix app, you can remotely control the printer, monitor prints using the built-in camera, and even generate time-lapse videos. As for downsides, the 4-color system isn't as flexible as high-end multi-material solutions, and the build volume is standard rather than large format. Priced at around $449, the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 2 combo is one of the most affordable multicolor Core XY 3D printers you can buy in 2026. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website couponoffer.net. At number 4 on our list is the Prusa CORE One. If reliability, precision, and long-term upgradability matter more to you than flashy features, this printer deserves serious attention. Built on a Core XY motion system, the Core One delivers excellent speed while maintaining impressive accuracy. What really sets it apart is the all-steel exoskeleton frame. This isn't a lightweight consumer machine. It's a rigid, industrial-style chassis designed for durability and stability over years of use. Prusa is known for long-term support, and the Core One follows that philosophy. It's designed as a right-to-repair printer, meaning maintenance is straightforward, parts are accessible, and upgrades are supported over time. The updated Core One Plus version includes firmware refinements, optimized print profiles, and hardware improvements. These upgrades reduce visual artifacts like VFAs and improve overall print consistency. Print quality is one of its biggest strengths. Prusa calls it WYDIWYP. What you design is what you print, and the dimensional accuracy lives up to that promise. Overhang performance is especially strong thanks to the neck extruder with 360-degree cooling, handling up to 75-degree overhangs with minimal support. Reliability is another highlight. Prusa machines are tested extensively in real-world print farms, achieving a reported 98% print success rate. Material compatibility is broad. It supports standard filaments out of the box, and with the optional HT hot end upgrade, it can reach up to 400 degrees Celsius for high-performance engineering materials. Multi-material printing is available through the MMU3 add-on, supporting up to 5 filaments in a single print. Now for the downsides. It comes at a premium price, it's not the fastest in this lineup, and the build volume is moderate rather than large format. Priced at around $1,299 on Amazon. Overall, if you want industrial-grade reliability, precise results, and long-term upgrade potential, the Prusa CORE One is a serious investment at number 4. At the third spot on our list is the Bambu Lab H2C. This is a highly advanced machine. Right out of the box, it supports 6-color printing, plus a 7th nozzle that can be used for support material or an extra color. That allows highly detailed, full-color models in a single print. Instead of using traditional single nozzle purge cycles that waste filament, the H2C features an intelligent hot end swapping system called Vortec. Rather than purging material, it swaps the entire hot end. This dramatically reduces filament waste and delivers much cleaner color transitions. It integrates seamlessly with Bambu's AMS units. With multiple AMS units connected, the H2C can support up to 24 different materials in one print. Speed is just as impressive. Thanks to induction heating, the nozzle reaches temperature in just 8 seconds, reducing downtime during material swaps. Precision is handled by the Vision encoder system, delivering motion accuracy below 50 microns. Combined with servo-driven extrusion and automatic pressure advance calibration, prints stay sharp even at high speeds. The PMSM servo extruder delivers up to 10 kilograms of extrusion force, improving high-flow reliability and reducing clogs. For engineering materials, the H2C is fully enclosed with a 65-degree actively heated chamber and 350-degree nozzles, ensuring strong layer adhesion and minimal warping. The printer uses 59 sensors and a quad-camera AI system to detect extrusion issues, buildup, and print failures in real time, even before the print fully starts. Air safety is handled by a 3-stage filtration system, and the chamber uses flame-retardant materials. You can run it fully through the cloud or completely offline, and developer mode allows advanced integrations like MQTT. Now for the downsides. This is a complex, high-end machine, best suited for serious enthusiasts or professionals. And it comes at a premium price. At around $2,399, the Bambu Lab H2C is one of the most expensive options here. At the second spot on our list is the Creality K2 Plus. And if size, speed, and serious multicolor capability matter to you, this printer is built to impress. The first thing you notice is the massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume. If you've ever felt boxed in by smaller print beds, the K2 Plus completely removes that limitation. From large prototypes to cosplay parts or batch production, this machine is made to scale. Now let's talk about color. Paired with Creality CFS, you can connect up to 4 units and print in up to 16 colors. Filament switching is fully automatic, giving you vibrant multicolor prints without manual swaps or post-processing. The K2 Plus uses industry-grade FOC step servo motors, delivering 32,768 microsteps per revolution. That level of precision results in smoother motion, cleaner details, and greater reliability, especially at high speeds. The printer supports up to 600 millimeters per second, with acceleration reaching 30,000 millimeters per second squared. A 100-watt high-flow hot end capable of 40 cubic millimeters per second ensures consistent extrusion even during fast prints. The tri-metal hot end reduces heat creep and clogging, while quick nozzle access and a hardened steel direct drive extruder allow printing abrasive materials like carbon fiber composites. Material compatibility is excellent. With an actively heated chamber and high temperature nozzle, it handles PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, PACF, PPACF, and more. Automation is another highlight. You get strain gauge bed leveling, dual motorized Z-axes for anti-tilt correction, and 18 smart sensors monitoring motion, extrusion, and thermal behavior. Dual AI cameras provide real-time monitoring, spaghetti failure detection, and time-lapse recording. Despite its size and performance, it stays surprisingly quiet, around 45 decibels at 300 millimeters per second. Now for the downsides. It's physically large and needs proper space, and reaching the full 16-color setup requires additional CFS units, increasing total cost. Priced at around $1,299 for the combo, the Creality K2 Plus delivers exceptional value for its size, speed, and automation. And finally, at the very top of our list is the Bambu Lab P2S. And this machine truly represents what a next-generation 3D printer should feel like. The P2S features a fully upgraded 5-inch touchscreen powered by a new generation processor and 2nd-gen UI, and it genuinely feels like using a modern smartphone. At its core is a PMSM servo extruder, delivering up to 8.5 kilograms of extrusion force, roughly 70% more than the previous generation. This enables stable, high-flow printing even at demanding speeds. With real-time resistance and position sampling at 20 kHz, the system can instantly detect clogs or filament grinding before prints fail. Precision is another major strength. A high-resolution eddy current sensor continuously calibrates flow dynamics. Intelligent algorithms adjust extrusion in real time, keeping corners sharp, details clean, and surfaces consistent, even on complex models. Instead of simply recirculating hot air, it intelligently pulls in cool air when needed for better overhangs, while still maintaining a sealed 50°C chamber for engineering materials. Air is filtered through a carbon system, keeping your workspace cleaner. Monitoring and safety are equally advanced. AI computer vision detects spaghetti failures, nozzle buildup, and bad starts. Enhanced LED lighting and a high frame rate camera provide clear live monitoring and smooth time lapses. Dual band Wi-Fi keeps remote access fast and reliable. It's also ready for advanced materials. The hardened steel extrusion system handles fiber-reinforced filaments like carbon fiber blends with confidence. And when paired with the AMS2 Pro, multicolor printing is better than ever. Faster feeding, built-in filament drying, and active venting for consistent material quality. Priced around $799, the Bambu Lab P2S delivers unmatched speed, precision, automation, and refinement. If you want the most complete desktop 3D printing experience in 2026, this is the printer to beat. Now let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right 3D printer. So if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.